Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter login problem, also known as X. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening another app or website to confirm your internet is working. Next, double check your login detail. Make sure your username, email or phone number and your password are typed correctly. Password are case sensitive. Check your capital letter. If it still doesn't work, update the Twitter app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type for X and tap update if one is available. An outdated app can cause login error. After that, close the Twitter app completely and reopen it. You can also restart your iPhone to fix small system problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.